All right, folks, Steve Harris with Low Class Media. We're here riding at the secret spot today. I'm riding here with a few of my really good riding buddies, and I want to get their perspective on whether or not I should move up to 250B or stay in 250C. Let's get into it.
I knew it was gonna happen.
We're here with Chris Codana, the pocket rocket himself. Chris, I could go to 250B next year, or I could go to 250C. What do you think is better for me?
I think you should race one more year in 250C.
Okay.
We're gonna have. So
You trying to say I'm slow, dude? You trying to say I'm slow?
No, I'm saying you have a lot of friends that are gonna race 250C. So Kyle's going to 250C. I'm gonna be in 250C. Corey's gonna go to 250C. Justin's gonna go to 250C. There's a large amount of people that are like similar speeds that are going to 250C. So I think it'd be a fun year. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Smoke your jewel on camera, bro. Blow it out. Come on, let's see what you got. All right, Kyle. What do you think, dude? Where should I go? What should I do? What should my future be, bro?
After seeing you crash 8 times today, I think you need to go back to B. Like, I'm kidding. Realistically, you need to do 250 SC, get one more year in, and then hope the plan is all of us to move to B in 24.
The question is, are you biased because you want me to race with you?
No, not at
So
all.
you just think I'm not fast enough?
Yeah,
You're saying I'm not good at riding dirt bikes.
kind of.
You're insulting me on camera.
No, bro, I'm in D class. I don't have any room to talk. I'm moving up to C, but I'm just saying that I think riding with your buddies, get competitive. One's faster than the other will help you progress. And then moving into 24, we go to B class then and then progress even further. But just fill it out. At the end of the day, the choice is yours. Buddy.
Sage advice from a tall man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.